Hey, Jay here, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the firmware update on the 22 IDEX 3D printer. Now, there are a couple ways to go about doing this. One is over the air, and one is to do the physical update on the microSD card. Firstly, you're gonna need is the microSD card reader. These will come with every purchase of the 22 IDEX V3. It will be included in the kit. What you wanna do now is turn off your 22 IDEX if you have the machine on. Go back to the machine, open the left panel in the back, and then locate the main board. The main board is the one on top. The bottom board is this expansion board, and the micro SD card is located on the very top of the main board. So go ahead and eject that out. Put that in the micro SD card reader, insert it into your laptop or computer. And from here, you're gonna go to wiki.visionminer.com, and then you're gonna go ahead and locate your machine, which is the 22 IDEX V3. Firmware update, and then you're going to determine if your machine was received before November of 24 or received it after November of 2024. Go ahead and click that. Okay, it's going to download. Go to download, locate the download folder, and then go ahead and unzip it or extract. Okay, and what you want to do is open up your folder on the micro SD card. And the one really important folder is the user folder, because you're going to be replacing everything else, but keep the user folder. So what you want to do is go back to that folder, open up, copy all. So Control A, Control C, and I'll move it over to that. Paste it right over. And it's going to ask if you want to replace the file in the destination. Go ahead and say yes. Okay, now it's done. Go ahead and eject and reinstall the SD card into your machine. All right, save to remove hardware. Okay, remove. Take the micro SD card back to the main board and insert it in there. Go ahead and turn on the power. And then wait for the connection. All right, and that's how easy it is to update the firmware on the 22 IDEX 3D printer.